Hey there! Today, we're diving into a topic that's literally heating up our world. It's about the scorching summer we're experiencing and the role of El Nino in intensifying the heat. But before we get into the details, let's set the scene. Imagine a world on fire, not just metaphorically but quite literally. Wildfires raging across North America and Europe, deadly heat waves suffocating cities, and oceans reaching unprecedented temperatures. It's like the planet is giving us a taste of hell, and guess what? It's not even the hottest year on record, yet. Now, you might be thinking, wait, if it's not the hottest, why the drama? Well, here's the thing. We're currently experiencing the third hottest year, trailing behind 2024 and 2025. But the real kicker is that 2026 is shaping up to be a contender for the hottest year crown. Why? A deadly duo of accelerated human-induced global warming and a supersized El Nino phenomenon. You see, scientists predict that by the end of this year, 2026 might just edge out 2024 as the hottest year. And if it doesn't, it's almost certain that 2027 will. It's like we're in a race to the bottom, with each year trying to outdo the last in terms of heat. What a time to be alive, right? Now, you might wonder why this sudden shift in focus towards climate change. Well, in recent years, global conflicts have understandably grabbed our attention. But as climate scientist Zeke Hausfather puts it, the world is now on fire again, and this time, it's climate change that's setting the blaze. It's a stark reminder that while we've been distracted, the climate crisis has been quietly intensifying. Let's talk numbers. Climate scientist Hausfather has calculated a 35% chance that 2026 will surpass 2024 as the hottest year. And his confidence in this prediction is growing each month. Meanwhile, the legendary James Hansen, often called the godfather of climate science, also predicts 2026 will take the heat crown. These are not just random guesses, they're based on hard data and decades of climate research. Here's another mind-boggling fact. About 82% of the world's ocean surface is currently experiencing marine heat waves. That's a massive area, considering oceans cover more than 70% of our planet. And guess what? This heat buildup in the oceans is a direct consequence of human-caused climate change. It's like we're turning up the global thermostat with our relentless burning of coal, oil, and gas. Now, some might think El Nino is the main culprit here, but climate scientists are quick to correct that notion. They emphasize that the extreme heat we're experiencing this summer is primarily driven by human activities, not El Nino. El Nino is just the cherry on top of the melting ice cream sundae that is our warming planet. What's particularly concerning is that the warming trend is accelerating. As James Hansen explains, traditional industrial pollution, which actually had a cooling effect by creating soot and smog, is decreasing. This means the planet is losing its natural sunscreen, so to speak, allowing greenhouse gases to heat things up even more. It's like we've removed the shade, and now the sun's rays are hitting us full force. This summer's heat waves have been relentless, especially in regions unaccustomed to such extreme temperatures. And they've been hitting hard at night, disrupting sleep and affecting people's health and productivity. It's not just about discomfort, it's about the potential for long-term health issues and economic impacts. What's more, these heat waves aren't isolated incidents. From Europe to North and South America, even India, extreme heat conditions are becoming the new normal. As Princeton University climate scientist Michael Oppenheimer points out, this is exactly what scientists have been warning about. Climate change is increasing the risk of wildfires and making scorching summers more likely. So, what does all this mean? Well, personally, I think it's a wake-up call. We can't keep ignoring the signs. The planet is sending us a clear message, and it's time we listened. The frequency and intensity of these extreme weather events should be a stark reminder that climate change is not a future problem, it's happening right now, and it's affecting all of us. In my opinion, we need to shift our focus from reaction to prevention. We must address the root causes of climate change and take collective action to mitigate its impacts. It's not just about reducing emissions, it's about rethinking our entire approach to energy, industry, and even our daily lives. We have the power to make a difference, but it requires a global effort. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought: climate change is not a distant threat, it's our current reality. The heat we're feeling today is just a preview of what's to come if we don't act. So, let's use this summer's heat as a catalyst for change. Let's turn up the heat on climate action and work towards a cooler, more sustainable future. Because if we don't, the planet might just show us what record-breaking really means.